Get ready to elevate your space with Cozyology. In this video, we'll guide you through the easy steps to install our cordless hand-woven shades for inside mount. Hand-woven shades are an excellent way to bring the natural charm and warmth of natural fibers into your home, enhancing your living space with both timeless style and practical functionality. The installation kit contains 1 hand-woven shade, 8 screw sets, 2 wing nuts, 2 mounting brackets, and 8 wall plugs. For wider shades, additional brackets are provided to ensure a secure and stable installation. Everything you need for a smooth setup is included. Here's what you need for the installation. You'll need a metal tape measure, a pencil, a drill, and a screwdriver. Let's begin. Step 1. Mark and drill holes. Hold up the hand-woven shade and align it with the pre-drilled slots on the headrail. Mark the spots with a pencil. Position the brackets 1 to 2 inches from each end of the headrail. Then drill holes into the window frame at the marked spots. Make sure the holes are properly aligned and level to ensure a straight installation. Step 2. Install the brackets. Align the brackets with the drilled holes and secure them using the provided screws. Step 3. Secure the shade. Lift the shade with the front side facing you, then align it with the bracket bolts. Insert the bolts through the headrail slot and tighten the wing nut securely to hold the shade in place. Now that everything is in place, pull the shade down and lift it back up to ensure it functions properly. Perfect! Your new hand-woven shades are ready to go.